Our oceans are facing unprecedented challenges. Pollution chokes their depths, overfishing depletes their resources, and climate change alters their very nature. This crisis beneath the waves is a call to action, a reminder of the urgent need to protect and preserve our marine ecosystems. In response to this critical situation, the world has united under Sustainable Development Goal 14 to conserve and sustainably use the oceans, seas, and marine resources. SDG 14 is not just a goal, it's a commitment to safeguard our oceans' health, ensure sustainable livelihoods, and protect the marine biodiversity for our future. Her first target is to reduce marine pollution. Each year, 5 to 12 million tons of plastic go into the ocean. A significant concern is the accumulation of plastic waste in oceans. By 2025, the study predicted that we will be putting enough plastic in the ocean to cover 5% of the Earth's entire surface in cling film each year. And studies have predicted that by 2050, there could be more plastic by weight in the oceans than fish if current trends continue. According to www.biologicaldiversity.org, sea life will be overweight by the same because of eating plastic, and even more sea life will die because of it. So what would happen when we have so much plastic? Imagine a sea turtle mistaking the floating plastic for food. It eats the plastic, chokes or thinks it's full, and starves. Sadly, research shows that about half of sea turtles worldwide have eaten plastic. On some beaches, plastic is so common it's even affecting their reproduction. Hundreds of thousands of seabirds also suffer from plastic. They eat it, and it fills up their stomachs, leaving no room for real food. Around 60% of seabird species have ingested plastic. By 2050, this might rise to 99%. We often find dead seabirds with stomachs full of plastic, a clear sign of increasing ocean pollution over the last 40 years. Marine mammals are in trouble too. They eat plastic and get tangled in it. In the habitat of endangered Hawaiian monk seals, which includes pup nurseries, there's a lot of plastic. Entanglement in plastic has injured and killed endangered Steller sea lions, with packing bands being a common culprit. We've even found dead whales with their bellies full of plastic. Fish in the North Pacific ingest between 12,000 and 24,000 tons of plastic annually. Where will that garbage go? It mostly goes to the area called the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is a huge area in the ocean where a lot of our plastic waste ends up. It's made mostly of single-use items, things like plastic bags and water bottles that we use once and then throw away. This patch has more than 1.8 trillion pieces of plastic and weighs about 80,000 tons. It's a big problem because sea creatures get hurt by eating this plastic or getting tangled in it. This place shows us why we need to be careful about how much plastic we use. So a bag you use for a short time can harm the ocean for many years. The solution lies in our actions. Reducing single-use plastics, enhancing recycling, and supporting ocean cleanup can significantly cut the plastic tide. It's our collective responsibility to advocate for policies that protect our oceans and invest in sustainable technologies. By acting now, we can preserve the marine world for future generations.